Hello, today's April 4th, 2021, and I just wanted to make a quick video about how I did in the stock market this past week. I day traded two stocks, IMMP, and I made 2.5% on it, and I made over 14% on EEIQ, which is another percentage gainer. It was up over 287% at one point. Also, the main thing with, percentage gainers is know your entry point and also know your exit point before you even start. You don't want to get your emotions involved and lose a lot of money. Slow and steady wins the race, especially with percentage gainers. I try to just make 5% a week, so that way at the end of the month, I make 25% on my investment, which to me is outstanding. Like I said, consistency is the key. Also, another thing when dealing with percentage gainers, always make sure you know where you're going to sell at if it starts to go down in value, because you don't want to hold, because the next thing you've lost, you've lost 10 or 20% or even more. If you lose 15%, you have to make a 20% gain to make your money back. So it's not worth buying and holding. Just as soon as it starts to fall in price, just sell. Just day trade again tomorrow or the next day. Also, stocks that I'm watching right now, Tesla. It's the number one traded stock right now on Robinhood. It's up to 658. I personally think that 658 is a bargain, and you can, if you go ahead and buy and hold on it, it's probably going to go to 800 here in the next couple months. Also, another stock is APHA. It's up to, I think, $17 or $18. Ticker symbol APHA. Personally, I wouldn't buy that right now. I'd wait till it falls below, down to around $14 or $15. It's a heavily traded marijuana stock, and it is as popular as it is. As soon as it gets some good news, it'll be up to $18 to $20 very easily. Also, another thing that, as far as dividend stocks, if you want dividend stocks to watch, Marlboro, I made over 15%, which is great for a dividend stock in this past month. Plus, it paid its dividends, so its ticker symbol's MO. I think it's currently, it's now called APHA, by the way, and the other dividend stock is Maine, ticker symbol MAIN. It pays monthly, just 20 cents, but it's every month. So I own a few shares of it. So if you're looking to get into dividend investing, those are two great stocks to get into. I personally made 5%, off of, it went up 5%, over 5%, by itself. Plus I got my, a 20 cents in dividends. I generally try to take some of my profits and just buy one dividend or one or two shares of a dividend paying company every month. Or every week, excuse me. Also, if you're looking to invest, in the long term, of course, like I said, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft are all good growth companies. Microsoft's, starting to become even more popular, and I believe that it's another company that you can get paid a nice dividend, plus the stock's going to continue to go up in value. Also, there, a couple other companies, Blackstone and JP Morgan. Blackstone's ticker BX. It pays a good dividend. Plus, it's a realty stock, but I believe it could go to 80 or 90 bucks. So it's currently trading around $70 a share. JP Morgan, it's at $153. I believe right now, it's still going to continue to go up a little bit, but, I'd be careful with it because it could come crashing right back down at any time. I believe that it's overvalued, but it pays a nice dividend, of over 3%. So, it's something it's another very hot stock right now. And, me personally, I like bank stocks just because, they pay you interest, pay a good dividend on their money. Plus, JP Morgan is one of the best stock that has the highest payout ratio, which means basically they will continue to increase their dividend. They'll raise the percentage of how much they pay a lot quicker. The more profits they get, the higher your dividend is going to be. So, don't be surprised if JP Morgan raises their dividend, every year. They're like Altria. They're going to continue to raise their dividend. If you're really into dividend stocks, those are a few to watch. But mainly, I do day trading, and two companies that I always keep an eye on are AMC, which is currently at at 947, and I think that's a great place to buy in at. And it's like GameStop. You never know. It should bounce right back up to $10 or $11. Because of how popular it is. It being one of the meme stocks, and because of Wall Street bets. So, I think, me personally, if you're looking for a stock that could go up 10 or 20%, that has a lot of volatility, GameStop and, AMC, but make sure you buy at the right time. To me, I wouldn't buy AMC I wouldn't pay over $10 for AMC. And, GameStop, it just depends, depending on how things are going. So, you just have to wait on the news. Right now it's really hot, but, if it starts to tank, go ahead and sell. Me personally, I don't ever want to lose more than 5% on a trade. So I always try to get out because, you can always buy back in later. I always protect your principal. I really appreciate everybody watching my videos. If this video has helped you any, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link in the comments where you can click on it and get a free stock from Webull. It'll be worth over $10, so it's free, and it also helps me out. And if you're wanting to start a brokerage account, they're a great company. They're the only company that you can buy and sell at 4 in the morning. All the others you got to wait till 7. So personally, I'm recommending Webull. Also, if y'all have any questions or comments about any of the stocks, or feel free to leave in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And that's what I'm trying to do, is just we're all here to help each other make money. So if like I said, if it don't matter which stock it is. Even if I don't own it, I'll look it up and give you the best advice I can personally give you on it. All right. Well, I hope everyone has a happy Easter, and makes a lot of money this coming week, and I hope y'all have a very profitable week. Thanks.